This tournament has been organized by the Hockey Heritage Group Goa. We are a group of hockey enthusiasts and we come together every year to organize tournaments for children across Goa. This tournament that you see here is the 9th Pioneer Hockey Trophy, and we have 16 teams participating from all across Goa, and we'll be having a total of 32 matches that will be played from 9:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. today. Thank you.
Organized by
This tournament is being organized by the Hockey Heritage Group Goa.
and it's collaborated with Pilar Racing Club.
And this tournament, specifically the Pioneer Trophy, is organized in the memory of Reverend Father Bento Martins, who is the founder of the Society of Pilar. And we also organizing it in collaboration with the Don Bosco Oratory Panjim and Goans Hockey, which is the state association for hockey in Goa.
I'm Father Dominic Alvarez, belong to the Society of Pilar. At this moment, I'm the manager of Pilar Music School in Pilar and in Porvorim. The tournament we have today is in honor of the founder of the Society of Pilar, Reverend Father Bento Martins. He was a pioneer missionary who specially worked in Sattari area and built the first church already of Lourdes in Valpoi almost 130 years back. And that is why there was a time when I also had the opportunity to work in the Sattari mission, Valpoi. And the society had sent its seminarians to do their graduation. At that time, on the foundation day of our society, 26th September, we started hockey together with just 4 brothers. It went on to revive hockey in Sattari, and I'm proud to say that many girls from the villages on the borders of Goa represented Goa in the nationals for hockey. I feel proud about that. So this tournament was started in honor of our founder, Bento Martins. We had at least 6 or 7 editions in Valpoi, and after that, since our graduation students, the seminarians, were moved out of that place, we continued to have this tournament at Don Bosco's. Earlier it was held outside, but now we are having it indoors. It's a great opportunity for all hockey players to come and display their talents. In fact, there are not many players. We are about maybe around 500, I would say, players playing. And so it is like one family. So it becomes for us a get-together. And also an opportunity for the students to have hone their talents during the rainy season, because there are no tournaments outside. We are also happy that now the AstroTurf ground is getting ready in Dhuler. And all of us, those belonging to the hockey fraternity, are looking forward to that ground and to play the nationals. So this is conducted by HHGG, that is Hockey Heritage Group Goa, which was formed just to keep our culture, the hockey culture of Goa, because we know in the 40s and 50s, so many Goans, especially those who were settled in Bombay, had played for the Olympics, who had been gold medalists for Olympics or even the World Cups. So we would like to keep that heritage going, and we hope to see Goans once again in a national team.